Hi everyone, how to fix the League of Legends hyping problem or the connection problems? I will show you the effective solution, so make sure you watch this entire video. First go to the Windows set, type here the control panel and open it. Now here click on the network and internet settings. So now from here just click on the network and sharing center you are seeing, and on the left hand side you will see the change adapter setting, click on that. Here you will see your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet. So you just need to right click on your connection, click on the properties. And now in this small window of Wi-Fi properties, you just need to scroll down and you will see the Internet Protocol version 6. So just like that, you just need to uncheck this. So make sure this is unchecked in your PC. After that, highlight the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on the properties. And now from here, click on the use the following DNS server. And in the preferred DNS, just type the 88 and 88. And in the alternate DNS server, just type the 88 and 4 and 4. So this is the best Google DNS server. You can use this, and if you don't want to use this, you can also use the Cloudflare DNS server. So in the preferred DNS, just type the 1111, and in the alternate DNS server, just type the 1.0.0.1. Then click on the OK, then click on the close. Then what you need to do is just right click on your Wi-Fi, click on the disable, and now you can right click on it again, click on the enable. Once you disable and enable it again, you just need to open up your League of Legends and your all problems is fixed, and also the hyping problem is fixed. And guys, this is how you can fix this problem. And if you find this video helpful, so please like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.